Hello crafty friend, for this card I am using the Give It a Whirl Messages friend stamp, stitched teacup, Zesty lemon, and magic iris beehive add-on dies. You can find the list of supplies linked below. I select a piece of mermaid cardstock as the card base, measuring 5.5 by 4.25 inches. Next, I stamp the big sentiment from the Give It a Whirl Messages friends onto the mermaid cardstock using jet black ink. Once that's done, I add some texture to the background with splattering. First with black watercolor, and once it dries, I repeat the process with the white gouache. It's an easy way to add fun texture to the simple card base. For the die cutting, I choose canvas textured cardstock in orange, olive, teal and dark yellow, along with light brown, wood grain and white cardstock. I start the die cutting process with the previously mentioned dies. I run 2 of the fruits through my die cut machine again using this adorable and cute face die. When the die cutting is complete, it's time to add some dimension to the cardstock shapes with ink blending. First, I blend the lemon with sunflower ink. Then I continue with carrot ink on the orange die cuts. On the teal leaves I used peacock ink and add some depth along the edges. I do the same on the olive leaves with cilantro ink. After die cutting process is complete, I cut apart some leaves to mix them for a fun and playful look. I also put together the teeny tiny flowers, which I make with the beehive dies using liquid adhesive. Next, I pick a piece of white cardstock and paint it with an E59 Copic marker. This piece of cardstock will cover the back of the fruits with faces. Once I cover the faces with the brown cardstock, it's time to assemble the die cuts. I start adding the die cuts to the card front with 3D foam and liquid adhesives as well. This enhances the texture of the card and makes the images stand out more from the background. I bend the petals of the lovely daisies to make them more floral and 3D. Finally, I add white highlights with white pigment pen all over the card. This is the final look of the sweet fruit card. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!